Hi guys, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to improve your oral hygiene, this portable water flosser is a great option. It features for cleaning modes and high pressure water stream to help remove food particles and keep your teeth feeling fresh. One of the standard features is the upgrade 300mm water tank, which holds twice as much water as older models, reducing the need for frequent refills. Plus, it's detachable, making cleaning simple and hassle-free. The battery life is another highlight. You get up to 30 days of use on single charge, making it perfect for both home and travel. It's lightweight, cordless, and even waterproof, so you can use it in bathroom or on the go without worry. With interchangeable nozzle and an ergonomic design, this flosser offers a comfortable and customizable cleaning experience. If you're looking for a reliable and travel-friendly water flosser, this one is definitely worth considering.